Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 2.7 of chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. So now I'll solve question number 6, and question number 6 is a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So, friends, first of all, I want to say you that um, today I will upload a test of chapter fraction and decimals because today I want to take spot test that are you able to give the answer of some questions or not. So that test will containing 10 questions and 20 marks. Each question 2 marks, and you will have 30 minutes to complete it. Okay, and the question level will be so much easy. If you have read this chapter, this test will easy to you. Okay, so friends, let's focus on our question, and our question is this: a vehicle covers a distance 43.2 kilometer. That means one vehicle is there who covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. Okay, so now we have to find that how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol. Okay, so first we will write a vehicle covers a distance a vehicle covers a distance of how much kilometer? 43.2 kilometers. Okay, so now we will write that this vehicle is covering how much, I mean, this vehicle is covering the distance of 43 kilometer in how much liters of petrol. Okay, so a vehicle covers a distance in how much liters of petrol. Okay, okay, so that is equal to 2.4 liters. Okay, so now we will focus in the real formula. So a vehicle is covering a distance of 43.2 kilometer, and in the it is using petrol, I mean, how much liter of petrol it is using? 2.4 kilometer, I mean 2.4 liters of petrol. And now how much distance will it cover in 1 liters of petrol? So 1 liter of petrol is double. If I will do the double of 1 liter of petrol, that means it will be near about 2 liters. Okay, and here is 2.4. That means this liter is double. Okay, so for doing this half, that means this distance and this petrol, if we will do the half of this petrol, so how much liters, I mean how much kilometer distance will it cover? So simply we will divide 43.2 kilometers from 2.4 kilometer. Okay, that means this 43.2 kilometers divided by 2.4 kilometers. Okay, so see how will you divide it? This is a point and this is a point, so you have to just remove the point. Okay, so your number will be 43.2 3.2 upon, okay, for 3.2, yeah, for 3.2 divide by 2 point, I mean 24, right? And this is not point. 432 upon 24. So now it is easy to calculate this, and this will cut. So 24 multiplied by 18, that is equal to how much? So that is equal to 432. So this will cancel out by 18. Okay, 18. So at the last, we will write that. Oh my gosh. Here we will rub this line. Okay, so let's carry on. So this much liter, that means how much kilometer? 18 kilometers. Okay, so 18 kilometer distance, this is distance, will it cover? Will it cover in 1 liter, liters not, liter of petrol? Okay, so 18 kilometer will it cover in 1 liters of petrol? Okay, got my point? So 18 kilometer is the answer here. Okay, so friends, by this we have completed question number 6 as well as this chapter also, fraction and decimals. Okay, so kindly give your test according to your time. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.